What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel. We are at the tail end of November and you would have seen so many posts on social media doing rounds about No Shave November. But do you know the reason why we call our fellow men to call for No Shave November? The No Shave November campaign is observed every year in the month of November to raise awareness for the men who lose their hair to cancer. The basic reason to observe No Shave November is to let our hair grow freely, and the money that we would otherwise spend on these hair care and beard care needs can be donated to cancer patients or for cancer research. The campaign does not just encourage men but also encourages women to give their clippers and scissors a miss during the month of November. One is supposed to say bye to the razor for a period of 1 month, including the beard as well. That's exactly what I did, and that's why you would be able to see an unruly beard and my hair today. But I saved some money and I donated it on this platform called Keto for someone in need. But while you're growing a beard, you have to take care of it too. So here are a few beard care tips, especially if you're just getting started. So today we're talking about the No Shave November and what you can do to give your clippers a miss and donate for the cause. First step is to embrace your beard hair. We all have unique facial hair growth and we should learn to embrace what we have and not compare it to others. Step 2 is to wash. When you're just getting started, a lot of times we feel our beards tend to be itchy and we give up even before we reach 4 weeks of beard growth. This happens because the natural oils of your skin are being stripped by the growth of your facial hair. So what you need to do is to wash the beard properly every day at least once, and you can use a regular face cleanser for the initial period of 3 to 4 weeks and then apply a dedicated hair wash once the beard hair grows longer. I'd suggest that you use something with natural ingredients and avoiding the chemicals, and you should exfoliate to help remove the dead skin every 3 to 4 days. Step 3 is to moisturize. You have to condition and moisturize the beard. So we can use either an oil or a serum with natural ingredients for the skin underneath your beard and rub it gently to keep it moisturized and hydrated. It will also help to soften the beard, make the initial journey of the beard growth a bit easier on you. That's all you really need to get started. I hope you enjoy your beard growth journey. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. If this was your first time growing a beard, now that No Shave November has come to an end, you should have about 4 weeks of beard growth. You should shape your stubble and clean out the edges to look sharp and continue your beard journey. See what suits your face shape and keep growing. That's how I started, and I think it's going pretty well. That's it for this video, friends. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button down there and do subscribe to my channel as it helps me grow the channel further. And remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game. See you guys soon.